Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Hi! Wham! Come learn with me.
Ooh, what are these? Let's learn fruits.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! The fruit garden is wobbly.
Look! Apple. This is an apple. Apple begins with the letter A. Orange. Orange. Orange begins with the letter O. O. This is an orange.
Yay!
Banana. Look! Banana. This is a banana. Banana begins with the letter B. B for banana.
Yay!
Today we learned the name of 3 fruits. Orange, apple, banana. Good job, everyone! Well done learning fruits with me today. Join me again next time. Bye for now.